Hi, good morning, good evening, good afternoon. It's Mystic Sarah and High Priestess. How's everyone? Actually, I ये 2 से 3 दिन से मुझे मैसेज एक मिल रहा था. I was just ignoring के no, I should not say this thing. Might be I should or not. I am quite skeptical, and lots of the time, being an energy reader, we are mostly behave as a skeptical because we think that might be we are connected to people energies that is think in this way, or we should not say this thing. But somehow, some way, while we are guided to do say things, we do not have any option. We are not deny anything because we are here to say what we need to say. Simple as that. So जैसा है जो चीज़ वो वैसी ही होती है, चाहे वो अच्छी हो, बुरी हो, कड़वी हो. We are going to accept it. So after awakening specifically, it's not possible for us to say no. Say no to say truth actually. To जैसा भी है, what is it, it is it. Simple as that. You cannot say anything, you cannot do anything on it. जो जैसा है उसको वैसे ही रखना पड़ता है. ये बहुत स्ट्रेट मैसेज है. आई एम गेटिंग इन द पास्ट people think they can use other people's kindness, their softness, and their some kind of the loving care energy as some kind of the weakness of other person or people. They think if other person take care of them, thinking about them, worry about them, wanted something good for them, they can take the advantage. So I'm getting यहाँ पे specifically कोई female है, older female. I'm not feeling as a younger female, but I'm getting older female that they think that if they can use other person and people energies, that is a caring, that is quite kindness of other people, so they can convert it to slaveness. They wanted to be जो person kind है, उनके साथ अच्छे हैं, उनके लिए अच्छा सोचते हैं, या उनकी फैमिली के लिए, उनके फैमिली मेम्बर के लिए अच्छा सोचते हैं, they can use them as a slave. Why they are wanted to be other person look like a slave? Because behind the scene they are leeching on other person energy, so they can block other person energy opportunities, their creativity and everything they wanted to be in their life, even the freedom, some kind of the freedom, human rights, somebody freedom. This woman tried to block it intentionally, and she specifically said to some man that you should not accept this other person as some other kind of the relationship or recognition of the relationship, because treat this person as a slave because this person is kind, or behind the scene we can leech on this person energy, and no one can find out who this person is and what kind of the energies this person carry, because we deplete this person enough, they never ever stand up for themselves. This is the energy I was getting 3 days ago, or it's really hurtful. Trust me, it's really hurtful. While I hearing actually dialogues, I'm hearing the same dialogue she was speaking in the past with this man and their family members, how to treat other person who is really kind to them, because this female wanted to be their family member, or including herself, to be to suck out of leeching out of the other person energy, so this family dynamic get grow, and the other person who these people used it as a energy source depleted by them. And never give other person to respect, and never give other person the freedom, and never give other person to enough the recognition of themselves, so they can find out who they are and how they can stand up for themselves. Understand? वो नहीं चाहती थी कि जो अदर पर्सन जो कि काइंड हार्टेड है, वो कभी भी समझने की कोशिश करे कि उसकी भी कोई रिकग्निशन, कुछ उसकी भी आइडेंटिफिकेशन है. यहाँ पे किसी की किसी की आइडेंटिटी को चुराने की कोशिश की गई है, फिज़िकली नहीं, स्पिरिचुअली. 5D. बट इसका इम्पैक्ट 3D पे भी पड़ा. किस तरह से पड़ा? जब आप 5D की रास्तों को बंद करने की कोशिश करते हो तो 3D पे आपकी चीज़ें बंद हो जाती हैं. आप कुछ भी करते रहो, आपकी लाइफ में ब्लॉकेजेस आते हैं. बट ये इंटेंशनली किया गया, बिकॉज दिस वुमेन और देयर फैमिली मेम्बर डजंट वांट टू बी, के वो जो उनके साथ अच्छा है, कोई पर्सन अच्छी फीमेल या मेल है उनके साथ, जो भी उनके साथ अच्छे चल रहे हैं, they cannot find out, no one can find out who this person is. Even the other person, अगर वो अवेकन नहीं है, वो स्लीपिंग स्टेट में है और वो किसी लव और केयरिंग की एनर्जी में है आपके लिए, तो वो कैन यूटिलाइज, these people can utilize and take the advantage of this thing. The other person never be wake up about think who they are and what these kind of people these are. Other person think that this is their family, so they can take care of them, their partner, they can help them, stand up for them. But behind the scene, situation is still quite different, because they never accept this other person as their family member on the first step. So initially they are not accepting this person as a part of family. How it's possible this person is carry as a identify as a family member in their family dynamic? Understand? So intentionally यहाँ पे कोई थर्ड पार्टी है, थर्ड पार्टी कोई मदर फिगर है और उसके साथ थर्ड पार्टी फैमिली मेम्बर्स हैं कुछ. दे इंटेंशनली डिड सर. बट माई क्वेश्चन इज़ दैट जब आपको बोला जाता है, मेल और फीमेल जो भी हैं जिसको बोला गया, आपके एंटीना कहाँ थे? वेयर्स योर एंटीनास दैट? डोंट यू अंडरस्टैंड कि आपके जो पार्टनर है, आपको उनको पूरी रिस्पेक्ट मिलनी चाहिए, नॉट योर फैमिली बट ऑल्सो इन योर लाइफ. वाई यू थिंक दैट कि योर मदर, योर सिस्टर, योर आंटी, वट एवर योर cousin, they said that's right. You should not give the respect to your partner. You should not give the enough recognition to your partner. So you can deplete this person as an energy vampire day and night. So this family member also get shared this other person energy with them. You can through you know. So they can grow and other person depleted and eventually they block. Eventually they get die. Spiritually they get die. ताकि किसी को पता न चले कि स्पिरिचुअली या फिज़िकली कोई इंसान की आइडेंटिफिकेशन क्या है, उनके बर्थ राइट को, उनके फ्रीडम को, उनकी लाइफ की हर स्टेबिलिटी को जो इनका राइट है उनको मिलना चाहिए, उनसे छीन ली जाए. और उनको बताए ही ना, उनको कोई भी ऐसा राइट ना दिया जाए जो उनके रिलेशनशिप का होना चाहिए, क्योंकि वो उनको एज अ स्लेव यूज़ करना चाहते थे. अगर कोई आपका काम कर रहा है या कर रही है तो आपको लगता है वो आपकी स्लेव है? डू यू थिंक दैट अदर पर्सन स्लेव फॉर यू? आपका एंटीना कहाँ है? आपको समझ में नहीं आता. एक पर्सन आपसे लव एंड केयर में कोई काम आपके लिए कर रहे हैं, आपके लिए खड़े हैं, आपके लिए वरी कर रहे हैं. दिस अदर पर्सन इज नॉट स्लेव फॉर यू. रिलेशनशिप रिस्पेक्ट होती है. और जिस आई एम गेटिंग दिस काइंड ऑफ फैमिली डायनामिक डिड नेवर हैव द रिस्पेक्ट फॉर द अदर पर्सन, नेवर लव फॉर अदर पर्सन. सो डिवाइन इंटरवेंशन इज इंटर हियर. सो ताकि ऐसे लोग जो हैं जो कि डिप्लोमेसी डबल स्टैंडर्ड रखते हैं सोसाइटी में, दे आर isolated to other person intentionally, they used other person's energy, block other person energetically, spiritually, so they cannot survive in physically as well, or they used this other person as a slave because this person because they wanted to show to the world the other person is useless, other person is stupid, dumb. They never find out one thing, एक इंसान जितना काइंड होता है वो काइंडनेस में कोई आपके लिए कर रहा है, लेकिन जब उसको ये पता चल जाए, उसकी ये वेकनिंग हो जाए कि लोग अदर यूज कर रहे थे उसको, उससे ज़्यादा ख़तरनाक इंसान कोई नहीं हो सकता, क्योंकि उनको पता चल जाता है कि हमारी काइंडनेस का फ़ायदा उठाया जा रहा है. ओके फाइन, अब हम इसको दूसरे लोगों को जो हमें यूज़ कर रहे हैं उनको उनकी पोजीशन याद दिलाएंगे, बिकॉज दिस इज़ द टाइम नाउ टू शो देम देयर पोजीशन इन देयर लाइफ. अंडरस्टैंड? आई एम गेटिंग सम काइंड ऑफ injustice done in the past regarding this situationship, and now karma is going to play out here, or very powerfully. Even this dynamic family members cannot deny what these people did in the dark. What did in the dark, it's come out in the light. This is the time now, because divine intervention here, divine timings play out right now. July, August is important. Each and every person of this dynamic, whatever did in the dark regarding this person, blocking this person, their freedom, their life, this family member created the decision behalf of this person. They do not know what's going on in their life behind the scene. This dynamic family people, family members, and their partner, this person partner and family member are taking the decision behalf of them. They are not the part of this, their own life decision. Wow, what kind of the injustice is that done? These people did it. आप किसी इंसान की लाइफ का फैसला खुद कैसे कर सकते हो? उसको आपने इन्वॉल्व भी नहीं किया, उसको बताया भी नहीं कि उसके अगेंस्ट आपने कोई कोर्ट केस डाला हुआ है, उसके अगेंस्ट आपने कुछ इन्वेस्टिगेशन डाली हुई है. और हाउ पैथेटिक दिस सिस्टम इज़ दैट हु इज़ हेल्पिंग दिस काइंड ऑफ करप्ट पीपल. They never find out what these family members and partners, what kind of the dynamics that did on the other person. This system is blind. They never find out. They couldn't see what's going on. How this system at this family can have the decision on behalf of the other person's life. No one can have the right here. Only one person have the right. who's there belong to their life is that जिसके बारे में आप बात कर रहे हो, this person is own their life. Everyone on this earth who is living on this earth have the right own their own life. No one can other person own their life. You are the only one own your life. So now ready for this, each and everyone regarding this corrupted system and this family background, family dynamic partners, corrupted partner, cheater partner, each and everyone going to divine show you, your ancestors show you, even your ancestor also push you to see the truth now. How you can be blind system, how you can play other person, feeling other person's life, and you can take all the decision behalf of other person's life. Who gave you the right? Who gave you the right? No one can have right to take this decision to make the decision behalf of other person. No one can have the right on this earth. Divine never gave any person right to control other person's life. You are not the God. only one God exists. You are not the God. Anywho, this is the message, very pathetic message. और मुझे ऐसे मैसेज से बहुत से भी आता है, बिकॉज हाउ सिस्टम इज़ सो ब्लाइंड, never find out, never try to investigate what this family and this partner, cheater, everything these people doing it. How you can give your support to these kind of corrupted people, corrupted society, because these people create a corrupted society, and this system, this corrupted system also part of this. You do not have the right to control other person's life, to make the decision on behalf of them. You do not. You cannot control other person's freedom. You cannot control other person's human rights. Now some kind of the consequences coming now, or very terribly coming. You even cannot control what kind of the towers hitting now. Trust me. Thank you. Bye. Good night.